What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and you just saw a quick unboxing on Dell's 3680 Tower. I just received this today. Well, actually, we received 11 because we are getting ready to deploy Windows 11. So I'm pretty excited. I actually have the packaging slip right here with all the specifications of how we got this guy built. I'm pretty excited about getting this particular machine. We're upgrading from a small form factor PC into a bigger form factor PC. Because it gives us a lot of room to upgrade the power supply, the graphics card, and it has more breathing room for all the components inside the PC tower, which is great. So what comes inside the box? We have our power cable. We have a standard Dell mouse. The graphics card, which I'm going to tell you pretty soon. This guy right here, it comes with 4 mini display to display adapters. It's 4 of them. We have a 3680 Tower pamphlet. This looks like just a pamphlet. That's it. It gives you links to do like the setup guide. And we have the warranty safety information little pamphlet here. Last but not least, we have a standard keyboard, which I didn't even take it out the box because most likely we're not going to be using these. Or maybe, I don't know. The specifications on this machine, let's go over it because I am super excited because I was part of the decision of getting these machines. I had a budget, so I had to play around the budget to get something that will allow to run all the Adobe products and a little bit more. So this is what we got. For the power supply, it is 1000 watts. For the processor, it is running an Intel Core i7 14 Gen 14700. 20 cores, 28 threads, clock speed of 2.1 gigahertz up to 5.4 gigahertz. From memory, 2 16 gig sticks, total of 32 gigs. Again, I was in a tight budget. I really wanted to max it out, but 32 gigs is not that bad for our end users. For hard drive, we're not doing a SATA solid state drive. We actually upgraded to the next tier. So we got a 512 gigabyte M.2 2280 Gen 4 PCIe NVMe solid state drive. Oh my gosh, awesome. Again, tight budget. I was trying to get maybe a 1 terabyte, but the 512, it works well. And for the graphics card, we got the NVIDIA RTX 2000 ADA 16 gigs with 4 mini display ports. That's the whole reason why we got these guys. Well, it actually came with it, so that's great. Just got to make sure that that the monitors that we have either a native display to display, or we might have to play around with that. So that's pretty exciting. And that's about it. A lot of ports and features in the back and in the front. Whoa, it's crazy. So in the front, we have the power button. We have a combo audio jack, which allows you to hook up a headphone and mic. It looks like we have 2 Type-C ports, an SD card slot, and 2 USBs. I'm guessing right here, these USBs are probably 3.0. So probably when I'm doing posts, I could edit that. And it looks like one of the ports is always on charging. And this Type-C right here is also always on charging too. Woo! Awesome. Cool. In the back, what do we have in the back? We have our power supply port at the bottom. We have our graphics card right here with the 4 mini displays. We have an Ethernet port. We have 2 USB ports, and I'm guessing here 2.0, and they have 2 additional USB ports. I'm guessing again 3.0. Again, when I'm editing the video, I am going to add the correct port speeds in post. So don't kill me in the comment section. And then we have 2 additional Type-C ports in the back. And then we have 2 native display ports right here. So you can actually have 6 monitors hooked up into this particular machine. And then we have a audio port right here, so I can hook up speakers, external speakers. Again, I can't hook this up with a monitor and power because it doesn't have any operating systems. So hopefully Once an operating system is installed and I start playing around with it a couple of days, I will give you guys an update on it and tell you how this guy performs with all the applications that I typically use. This machine is going to be my testing machine, so I'm going to rebuild everything. I'm waiting for our SCCM guy to get the drivers up and running so I could deploy the operating system and start playing around with it. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing and crazy, I don't know what you want to call it, overview of Dell's 3680 tower. Pretty excited. That's awesome. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.